Well, actually, I've had hundreds of cases with Mercury Insurance over the last few years. Mercury Insurance is an up-and-coming insurance company in California. They insure approximately 25% of the drivers in California right now. The bad thing about Mercury Insurance is they're one of the worst insurance companies when it comes to evaluating and paying claims. What they do is they use an approach where no matter what the injuries are, they will offer $4,000 to $6,000. And once they make that offer, they will maybe move up $500 or so. It doesn't take individual pain and suffering into account. It doesn't take into account the type of impact you have. For example, we could have a 70-year-old person who has damage of only $1,500 to their car, but a 70-year-old person could be hurt a lot worse than a 20-year-old person who has $10,000 damage to their car. But they don't take that into consideration. They base a lot of what they evaluate on the damage to the vehicles, not the individual. And the thing about Mercury is they're consistent. Even if you do not accept Mercury's low ball settlement offer and you file a lawsuit and go to litigation, it doesn't make much difference to them, and the case usually does not get settled before it goes to trial. I had a case about 3 or 4 years ago where we had minor damage to a car, about $1,000 on the client's car, but the client had a predisposition. He had a pre-existing problem with his lower back. He had a smaller disc protrusion, and when the accident happened, this disc protrusion actually herniated, and it came into contact with his nerve in his lower back, one of his nerve roots, and he had to undergo surgery. The insurance company, no matter what, felt that, well, the damage was so small that we're gonna offer $8,000 and that's it. We went to a settlement conference. We went through depositions. We went all the way to trial, and they never came off that $8,000 offer. We ended up getting nearly $100,000 on the case. But this is the kind of tack that Mercury takes. They'll make an offer, they'll stay with it all the way to the end. So at least they're consistent, but consistently bad.